Imagine floating in a place so silent you can hear the sound of your own heartbeat. Welcome to space, the Silent Symphony. It's an orchestra where silence is the star performer, the cosmic conductor leading an ensemble of planets, stars and galaxies. How is this possible, you ask? The answer lies in the absence of air or atmosphere in space. You see, sound is just vibrations traveling through a medium, and without a medium like air, these vibrations have nowhere to go. It's like trying to play a guitar without strings. No strings, no sound. The same principle applies to space. But don't worry, astronauts aren't left in a world of silence. They communicate using radios that send signals directly into each other's headsets. So next time you're enjoying the tranquility of silence, just remember, space does it better. Ever experienced a rain of diamonds? On Saturn and Jupiter, it's just another Tuesday. Now you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, welcome to the fascinating world of extraterrestrial weather, where the forecast often includes showers of precious stones. On Earth, our weather systems are dominated by water. But on other planets, things get a little more sparkly. Let's take a trip to Saturn and Jupiter, where it literally rains diamonds. This cosmic diamond rain is not a sci-fi fantasy, but a scientific fact. Here's how it happens. On Saturn and Jupiter, methane gas in the atmosphere gets struck by lightning. This transforms the methane into soot, which, as it falls deeper into the atmosphere, gets subjected to extreme pressures and temperatures. Now, if you remember your high school chemistry, you'll know that pressure and heat are the two key ingredients in making diamonds. And voila! The soot gets compressed into graphite and then further into diamonds, which rain down onto these planets' surfaces. Imagine that! A downpour of diamonds just tumbling from the sky. But before you pack your bags and book a rocket ride, remember, these aren't your typical Earth diamonds. These cosmic diamonds are tiny, about a millimeter wide, and exist in conditions so extreme that they would vaporize if brought to Earth's surface. So, while it's exciting to think about a planet where it rains diamonds, it's not exactly a destination for a weekend getaway. Unless, of course, you happen to be a fan of extreme weather. But isn't it incredible how diverse the universe is? Here on Earth we have rain, snow, sleet, and hail. But out there in the vast cosmos, there's a whole other level of weather phenomena waiting to be explored. From diamond rain to sulfuric acid clouds, the universe continues to amaze and surprise us with its wild and wonderful weather patterns. So if you're ever thinking about a change in scenery, maybe consider Saturn or Jupiter. Just remember to pack an umbrella, a really strong one. Ever been in a hurry? Well, you'll never beat a comet. When we think of speed, we often imagine race cars, supersonic jets, or maybe that time you sprinted to catch the last train home. But in the grand cosmic race, these contenders wouldn't even make it to the starting line. Let's talk about comets, those icy speedsters of the cosmos. Comets, often dubbed as dirty snowballs, are made up of ice, rock, and dust. They originate from the far reaches of our solar system and travel at breathtaking speeds towards the sun. So, how fast does a comet travel? Hold on to your hats because these celestial bodies can reach speeds up to 150,000 miles per hour. That's over 200 times faster than the fastest car in the world, the Bugatti Chiron, which tops out at 769 miles per hour. To put it into perspective, if you could hitch a ride on a comet traveling at top speed, you could go from New York to Los Angeles in less than a minute. Or, if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you could zoom around the Earth's equator almost 6 times in the same amount of time. Now that's a road trip. Of course, these speeds aren't constant. A comet's speed varies depending on its proximity to the sun. The closer it gets, the faster it travels, thanks to the sun's gravitational pull. Once it swings around the sun and starts its journey back to the outer solar system, it slows down until it reaches its furthest point, only to start the process all over again. So, next time you're racing against the clock, remember this. No matter how fast you're going, in the grand scheme of the universe, you're more of a casual stroller than a speedster. So even on your fastest day, remember, a comet's got you beat. Ever complain about not having enough space? Well, in space, that's never a problem. Imagine you're on a plane cruising at about 550 miles per hour. Now, let's say you're headed to the moon. Even at that speed, it would take you nearly 20 days to reach our lunar neighbor. Now that's a road trip. But let's go bigger. The sun, our nearest star, is a staggering 93 million miles away. If you were to drive there going 60 miles an hour, it would take you 176 years. So, better pack a lunch, or maybe several thousand. And we're still in our own solar system. The nearest star system to us, Alpha Centauri, is about 4.37 light-years away, A light year is the distance light travels in a year, which is about 6 trillion miles. If we hop back into our car and head to Alpha Centauri, we're looking at a trip of about 41 trillion miles. That's a journey of 250 million years. You'd need to pack a lot more than lunch for that trip. But wait, there's more. Our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. If you were to travel from one end to the other at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years. And that's just one galaxy. There are estimated to be around 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each with their own vast collection of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Now these numbers might seem a bit abstract, a bit hard to wrap your head around, and that's okay. The truth is, space is big, really big, mind-bogglingly big. So big that our brains, adapted to deal with the relatively small distances on Earth, struggle to truly comprehend it. So, the next time you feel cramped, just remember in space, there's always room for more. Love these fun facts about space? There's a whole universe out there waiting to be explored. And what better way to do that than with SpaceSnap Shorts? We're here to deliver bite-sized, fascinating facts about the cosmos straight to your screens. You know, there's something about space that's truly mesmerizing. The stars, the planets, the galaxies, there's so much to learn, and we're just scratching the surface. Think of SpaceSnap Shorts as your personal spaceship, ready to take you on a thrilling journey across the universe. And the best part, you don't need a spacesuit or rocket fuel. All you need to do is subscribe to SpaceSnap Shorts. We promise a galactic adventure filled with wonder, discovery, and a dash of humor. Because who said learning about space can't be fun? With SpaceSnap Shorts, the universe is just a click away. Subscribe now and let's journey through the cosmos together. From the silence of space to the diamond rain of Saturn and Jupiter, we've taken a fun-filled journey through the cosmos. We've danced with the silent symphony of space, felt the cosmic rain, sped along with space speedsters, and wrestled with mind-boggling space sizes. It's been an adventure through the vast, surprising, and engaging nature of space. Each fact we've uncovered today has only scratched the surface of the cosmic wonders waiting out there. From the hushed whispers of the cosmos to the diamond downpours, from the fastest-moving objects to the sheer enormity of celestial bodies, it's clear that space is far from dull. We've laughed, we've learned, and we've looked in awe at the universe's wonders. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's a universe of knowledge waiting for us to explore. Stay curious, stay fascinated, and remember, there's always more to learn with SpaceSnap Shorts. Subscribe and join us as we continue to explore the universe.